to our Facebook page. It's Kirsty here, founder of Proverb Skin. I have something really important I want to talk to you about today. I know globally men don't buy as much skincare as women, but often women are buying bottles, boxes, packaging, and I don't want you to be making those mistakes. I don't want you to be led by what it looks like. I want you to be led by what's inside. We need to start thinking about the ingredients inside the bottles and not any of the glitz and grooming glam on the outside. It's really crucial so you get the results and you don't waste your money. I'm going to explain why. Ultimately, at the end of this video, I want you to think, why don't I worry more about the inside of that bottle? And why don't my friends and the people I hang out with worry more about the inside of those bottles? Let's take the morning. Now, admittedly, this is a good morning. You get up, you got up this morning, you got in a shower, you washed your hair, shampoo, maybe conditioner, shower gel, get out, put some deodorant on, wash and cleanse your face, shave, shaving foam, serum perhaps, moisturizer, an eye cream, do your hair like mud, paste, serum, glue, hairspray, get dressed, put your aftershave, your cologne on. Now, every single bottle that you've touched, just like I did when I did my routine this morning, has probably got 50 to 60 ingredients on it. Like, other than aqua, posh water, do you have any idea what they are? So why are we drip feeding ourselves those morning and night? Like, that is not a good plan. You would never eat and drink that many things that you just didn't know what they were. Think about it as food. Think about it just like your diet. Now, it's really odd that everyone completely accepts that. If you wanted like the best wine, the most expensive wine, you know those nights where someone's showing off and you get the best wine ordered to the table, or you need to impress someone. I'm rubbish at wine, I've got no idea, but I'm sure you do. So it's totally accepted that there's this incredibly special vineyard that's maybe on the top of a mountain, which only gets like drops of alpine water hit it, and there's some incredible man and his dog who like handpick the grapes, and it's the most insane wine because it's come from the most insanely remote place. The soil's incredible, it goes in the bottle, there's only so much of it made, and it's just the best. It's just the elite version. Or you want a steak, you're in the restaurant, there's all the different steaks. Clearly, the very most expensive one, the Kobe, the Wagyu, sorry, vegetarians out there, is the steak that has been massaged, the cow's been massaged every day of his life. He's only been fed grass-fed beer, and it's triple the price of everything else because you know it's the best. You know how it was produced, what the function was, what it was eating, how it was grown. Totally get it in food. Why is it not? It's the same in grooming. Like, you've got to think about the ingredients, the soil it was grown in, how it was produced, how it was brought to you. Not just about what branding and marketeers tell you. This is about ingredients. Just the same, 50 to 60 ingredients potentially in a bottle, just like the vineyard and the wine. It is all about how they're grossed. It's all about how they're grown, put together, and brought to you and brought to your bedroom and your bathroom. It is like food and drink. Please start thinking about it like that. That is literally like my life's work, my life's message, and I want you to understand, and I want you to be able to help other men in your life understand it too. Black Friday is coming, Christmas is coming. We are literally entering the zone of the year where your house is going to have more packaging and more waste than ever before. Like, when you're buying friends, your dad, your brother, when you're going to buy them a grooming skincare present, like, please think about the packaging, think about where it's going, think about the waste, think about the world, but most importantly, like, think about what you're spending your money on. I promise you, nearly every grooming male skincare bottle you have ever touched, the label, the bottle, or the box will have cost more than the liquid. The entire point of Proverb is to flip reverse that. The ingredients and the inside should count so much more, because You're buying it because you want to feel better, you want to look better, you want to be the best, you want to win. Like, you've got to have the right ingredients, not the right box. The box is not going to do that. It might make you feel a little bit awesome because of that brand element, and that's cool, and that is part of it. But really, if you're trying to fix something on your skin, it's not the most important part. Let's think about it this Christmas when we do our shopping, when we're online, how we're going to reduce wasting our money on the outside as opposed to where it really, really counts, on the inside. Facebook, thank you for watching. Please hit that little share button, because the more we can spread this message, the more the whole grooming industry will have to change in terms of not picking piss poor, cheap, more toxic ingredients and lathering it all up in expensive bottles and boxes and brand. And also just genuinely we're going to help the world because we're going to try and reduce wastage. Please make any comments, tell me if you would like me to speak about anything else, and I will see you soon.